Hi, thank you so much for watching. I decided to make this video as a complement to my video Why Unique, to give you a little bit more detail on getting started if you are interested in joining the business and joining my team. So I wanted to go ahead and give you a few more details about what it would take for you to start your own business with Unique. The first thing that I wanted to let you know, there are a few people that I've met recently who have never heard of Unique before, and if you're one of those people, I wanted to let you know what it is that we have to offer. Unique is about 2 years old right now, and we are a direct sales company that sells makeup. We have a very high quality line of minerally based and naturally based makeup and skincare products. One of my favorite things about our company is that we are cruelty free. None of our products are ever tested on animals, and this is a home-based business. The reason that I joined Unique was originally for our 3D mascara. I'm sure you probably heard of that. I fell in love with it as soon as I tried it, and I actually got it from one of my friend's daughters who was selling it. And as soon as I tried it, I thought it was fantastic. I thought at first I was only going to be wearing it on weekends or special occasions, but it's actually become a daily product for me because I love it so much. One of the things that I think is so fantastic is that our company is actually selling about 15,000 of these mascaras every day. So obviously all those women can't be wrong. One of the reasons that I really loved Unique does actually have to do with my previous experiences in joining a few other companies in the past. I've been looking for a home-based business opportunity for a while, and I finally found Unique, and I'm really glad that I did. Some of the things that really make me happy about this company has to do with the fact that there's no fees to pay for after you join them. So for instance, you're never going to pay for your website. You'll always have a free personalized website. You'll never have to worry about paying for credit card processing or training. All of our training is always going to be free. We do have catalogs, but you really don't need them, so you don't need to be spending money on that because we do most of our work on social media. We were born online, and there are no quotas. There are no auto ships either. If you've never heard of auto ships, there are some companies that require you to purchase a certain amount of product every month, and that's what you have to sell in order to get your commissions. But with Unique, there's nothing like that. Like I said, most of our work is done on social media. Some people do home parties, you know, that's their prerogative if they want to, but like I said, we were born online. I do most of my work on Facebook, some of it is on Instagram, and I've just recently gotten into using YouTube and Pinterest and Tumblr as well. So whatever your favorite social media platform is, that's where you can do your business. We do Facebook parties. So once you join, or once you've decided that you want to join, the first thing that you would do is you would go to my website, which is mydancinglashes.com. And there you're going to go ahead and click on join. You're going to invest in your Unique Presenters Starter Kit. And what that's going to come with is a makeup kit that comes in a really cute black leather makeup case. You're going to get our #1 product, the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. You'll also get 3 eyeliners, a lip gloss, some other skincare products. You're going to get some tools to help you out with your customers as well. You'll also be getting your free personalized website with that and the rights to sell our makeup. Once you've invested in that, I'm going to be adding you to 2 Facebook training groups that I have, and that's where you'll be getting most of your training is going to be on there, and also via my YouTube videos as well. The first thing that you're going to start learning is how to do Facebook parties, and those are really easy to set up, and I'll be teaching you how to share the makeup. There's really very little selling to do. A lot of it just has to do with sharing the makeup, and people love the mascara so much that's really going to be about 90% of your business. So as soon as you get started, you're going to be earning 20% of all the sales from your website, and after you get up to $1,000 in sales, you'll be going up to 25% in commissions from all of your sales. I know that might sound kind of like a lot from you know, just from getting started, but for me, I did almost $1,000 in just my first 2 parties, so it's really not that much when it comes down to it. If you decide to grow your business and that you want a team for yourself, your commissions for your own sales can actually go up to 30%. One of the things that really got me for Unique is the fact that we get paid 3 hours after a sale, which I think is fantastic. You're going to be getting a Unique issued debit card, and every time somebody buys something from your website, 3 hours later, you're going to get paid your commission right onto that debit card, and that can be used anytime, anywhere, just like a regular bank card. You'll also be getting your very own online bank account, which can be used the same as any regular bank account as well. You can transfer money if you want to. You can put your savings in there if you want to as well. Those are the main things that you're going to need to know for getting started. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me via email, or you can leave a question in the comments and I'll be sure to get to you. I would love to have you join my team. I'm really excited for this opportunity. I'm going to make it to the top of this company by the end of this year, and I hope to see you there as well. Thanks.